ever wondered how to make your bristle brushes feel more alive? The noise, frequency, and random noise settings could be the answer. Noise frequency gives your brush character. This setting controls how the bristles group together based on their behavior. At 0, all bristles behave the same, as one homogeneous group. Super clean, but kind of boring. When you turn noise frequency up, you start getting various bristle groups, different in how they scratch the paper surface or how they react to mixing, blending, or painting based on the pressure of your stylus. With random noise, you can add randomness to the noise frequency. In other words, you can set how randomly the groups of bristles with different behaviors pop up during your stroke. The higher the value, the more noise is used in the bristle groups, and your stroke gets a more organic feel.